Wait, the sign is taken by mistake. Where is the path?
The path is gone. We must stay calm.
Calm? I am tired. My feet hurt a lot. My hair is a mess. This wind is too strong.
The wind is strong, yes, but we need to find the way.
Find the way? First, we need a short break.
A break? Do we have hot chocolate? Hot chocolate is good. I need energy for this journey.
This journey is an adventure. We will be fine.
Yes, an adventure. Drink this, Henry.
Thank you, Mom. The chocolate is very warm. Is it warm? I want some chocolate too. Please.
Here you go, Charlotte. Wait, do you hear that sound?
That sound? It sounds like a bell.
Hello, travelers. Are you enjoying the mountain?
Hello. We are a little lost. It is a mystery.
A mystery? The mountains can be tricky sometimes.
Tricky, yes. Can you show us the path to the peak?
Go that way. You will see beautiful flowers.
Beautiful flowers. I need to record this right now.
Thank you for the help. We will go see the beautiful flowers now.
Have a good journey. But watch the sky. The weather changes fast.
The weather changes fast. We will walk quickly.
I will walk quickly. I am very brave today. Brave? You are funny, Henry. Look at this amazing nature.
Nature is wonderful. The peak is not very far now.
Look at this rock. It looks very ancient.
An ancient rock. Yes, these mountains are very old.
Oh, the wind is very cold suddenly. Put your hats on.
Cold? It is freezing. Where is the sun?
The sun is hiding. A thick fog is coming down.
A thick fog. Wait, I need to check the map again.
Dad, I cannot see the flowers. I feel a little scared.
Scared? Do not worry, Henry. We must stay calm together.
Stay calm? I cannot see the path at all.
The map is useless in this fog. Everything is white.
Everything is white. We must stop walking right now.
Stop walking? Wait, I have something in my pocket. Look, my teacher gave me this small tool. A small tool? Is that a real compass, Henry?
A real compass. It is very small, but very strong.
Very strong. The needle points to the north.
To the north. We need to follow it slowly.
Follow it slowly. The fog is getting darker.
Getting darker. We must hold hands now.
Hold hands now? Yes, I will hold your hand, Charlotte. Hold your hand? Okay, your hand is warm, Henry.
Warm, Henry? Let's take one step at a time.
One step at a time. I smell the wet earth.
The wet earth? It smells like rain and grass. Rain and grass? I hear a soft voice over there.
A soft voice over there. Let's walk towards the sound.
Towards the sound, I see a small light in the fog.
A small light in the fog? Is it another mystery? Another mystery? No, I see two people sitting.
Two people sitting? Hello, my name is Klaus. Come here.
Come here. Thank you, Klaus. We lost our path.
Lost your path? Do not worry. Sit down and have some tea.
Have some tea. You are very kind to us.
Kind to us? The tea smells like sweet apples. Sweet apples? This is exactly what I need right now.
Scared in the white fog? The mountain is a big mystery for everyone. Scared in the white fog? The mountain is a big mystery for everyone.
A big mystery! But my small compass pointed to the north.
Pointed to the north? You are a very smart and brave boy.
Smart and brave boy. We are very proud of you, Henry.
Proud of you? Yes. You saved our journey today.
Saved our journey. The big map was useless, but the small tool worked.
The small tool worked. Look, the wind is changing direction.
Changing direction? That means the fog will go away soon.
Go away soon. I can see a little bit of blue sky.
Blue sky. I want to record the mountain again. Record the mountain? The compass says we must go this way.
Go this way, yes. That is the correct path to the top.
Thank you for the warm tea and your kindness.
Your kindness. It is our pleasure. Enjoy the sunset, my friends.
Enjoy the sunset. Let's go, everyone. The view will be beautiful.
Will be beautiful. Everything looks golden and magical. Golden and magical. I am not tired anymore, Dad.
Not tired anymore. Because we are safe and the storm between friends is over.
The storm between friends is over. We can see the peak clearly now.
See the peak clearly now? It looks like a giant pyramid of rock. A giant pyramid of rock. The sunset makes it glow beautifully.
Makes it glow beautifully, yes. The light is so warm and gentle.
Warm and gentle. The air is very clear and fresh again.
Clear and fresh again. Listen, I hear the cowbell. Hear the cowbell? Maybe Farmer Hans is going home.
Going home. Everyone finds their way in the end.
Their way in the end. A big map is good for a big plan.
A big plan. But a small compass helps when you are lost.
When you are lost, small things bring the biggest hope.
Biggest hope. And hot chocolate helps too.
Helps too. You are right. Let's find a nice rock to sit on.
A nice rock to sit on. I found a flat one here.
Found a flat one here. This is a perfect place for us.
A perfect place for us. The sky is orange and purple.
Orange and purple. I feel very calm right now.
Calm right now. We had a great adventure today.
Great adventure today. And we learned a good lesson.
Learned a good lesson. Small tools and family make us strong.
Make us strong. Now let's drink this sweet chocolate together.
Sweet chocolate together. It is very delicious, Mom. Very delicious, Mom. I feel very happy and warm now.
Happy and warm now. Cheers to our great family journey.
Family journey. We are a wonderful team today.
Wonderful team today. Smile for the camera, everyone. For the camera, everyone. I will show my compass. Show my compass. This is the best picture ever.
Best picture ever. We should go back down before it gets dark.
Gets dark. Yes, walking in the dark is not safe.
Not safe. But we know the way back now.
Way back now. And we will follow the marked path.
Marked path. I will follow you closely, Dad.
Closely, Dad. Watch your step on the rocks.
Step on the rocks. I am stepping very carefully.
Very carefully. Hello, you have a beautiful evening for a walk.
Evening for a walk. Yes, the view is truly amazing.
Truly amazing. I want to climb fast like him one day.
Like him one day. You can do anything if you try, Henry.
If you try. Henry. Goodbye, big mountain. See you next time.
See you next time. The path is getting easier now.
Getting easier now. My feet do not hurt anymore.
Do not hurt anymore. Walking down is much faster.
Much faster. Look, I see the lights of the village.
Lights of the village. We are almost back to the start.
Back to the start. Will we see Farmer Hans again?
Farmer Hans again. Maybe he's resting at home.
Resting at home. I want to rest in a warm bed.
A warm bed. This journey was very long but wonderful.
Long but wonderful. I am still very proud of my compass.
Proud of your compass. You are our little hero today.
Our little hero today. You guided us through the mystery.
Through the mystery. Next time, I will not only trust a paper map.
Trust a paper map. We can use the small compass too.
Small compass too. Both tools are good if we stay calm.
Stay calm. I was a little scared, but now I am happy.
Now, I am happy. Look ahead. There is the wooden sign.
The wooden sign. It is not taken by mistake.
Not taken by mistake. It was just hiding behind the rocks.
Hiding behind the rocks. Everything is back to normal.
Back to normal. We started here and we finish here.
Finish here. I will sleep very well tonight.
Sleep very well tonight. Your body needs a good rest.
A good rest. My phone needs to charge its battery too.
Charge its battery too. We all need new energy for tomorrow.
New energy for tomorrow. Can we go on another adventure?
Another adventure? Yes, but a shorter one next time.
Shorter one next time. I agree with you, Mom.
Agree with you, Mom. Now, let's go home, my dear family.
My dear family, the mountain is sleeping and we are safe.